How to remove activation lock without Apple ID password. If you've got an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch with activation lock but can't remember your Apple ID password, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to remove activation lock without the Apple ID password in 2024. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about Apple's official method, account recovery. If you've forgotten your Apple ID password, you can reset it through Apple's account recovery page. Simply go to iforgot.apple.com. Now, what you need to do is simply enter your Apple ID, follow the prompts, and Apple will guide you through a recovery process. This may take few seconds to few days depending on your account's security settings. Now, if you can't recover your password, your next best option is to contact Apple support. They may be able to assist you in unlocking your device. You need proof of ownership like a receipt or invoice showing that you own the device. Simply visit the Apple support website, or you can simply call them to explain your situation and they'll guide you on what to do next. And that's it. Those are the main option to remove activation lock without an Apple ID password.